Hello everyone. Now let's start our class on mensuration, NCERT 8th standard textbook, mensuration chapter 11. Now let's take on to introduction. So let's begin. Hello. Mensuration. What is mensuration? What is mensuration? To find out what is mensuration, let's go on to the meaning of perimeter, which we have learned before. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around its boundary. Now what is mensuration? We don't know. No, let's see the perimeter. You have learned in the previous classes what is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around its boundary. Whose boundary? If there is any shape like square or rectangle, this boundary is there. No, this boundary, this total boundary, total length, we can find by the formula of perimeter. Okay. Now check out the area. What is area? Area is the region. Area is the region covered by it. Covered by it. What is it? You have seen here the boundary. Boundary you have seen. Boundary you have seen now. This boundary. Can you see the mark? Inside the boundary, what area is there? Right. That is what region is there? No, that is area. That area we have to find. The region covered by it means distance. Perimeter means outer cover, distance of the outer cover, and area means inside it. Okay. These things we have studied in the previous classes. Here you have found areas, perimeter of various plane figures such as triangles, rectangles, circle, etc. Right? Okay, this is my first class. Listen carefully, then let's move on. Okay? All the best. Okay. We have studied what is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around it, its boundary, and area is the region covered by it. Now I am doing the chapter mensuration 11 of NCERT 8th standard, right? Introduction is over, but first exercise is of a previous revision class. So I am doing that In this chapter, we'll try to solve problems related to perimeter and area of other plane closed figures like quadrilaterals. Okay, we will also learn about surface area and volume of solids such as cube, cuboid and cylinder. In this video, let us recall just to the revision of the previous years. Okay then let's start. By taking an example, we shall review our previous knowledge. Let us take a figure of a rectangular park whose length is 30 meters. Okay, it's in your textbook page number 169. Okay, let us take a figure of a rectangular park. Let us take a figure of rectangular park. Let us take a figure of a rectangular park. Okay. Rectangular park whose length is 30 meters and width is 20 meters. Length is 30. Width is 20 meters. Now let's find out. What to find? Now let's find some questions. We have taken a rectangular park of 30 meter and 30 meter length and 20 meter width. What is the total length of the fence around it? Let's see. What is the total length of the fence surrounded by it? We need to find perimeter of this park now. Total length. No, what is total length? Total length. What is the definition of perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary. Total length of the boundary. So we have to find the perimeter here. We need to find perimeter. What's the formula of perimeter? Huh? Here perimeter is, what's the formula of perimeter? Just think. Okay, perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. What is length? 30 plus 20. 2 into 50 is equal to 100 meter. Understood? Is here they have asked the total length of the fence. Fence means outer cover. So we have got 100 meter. Okay. Next, what is the question? How much land is occupied by the park? How much land is occupied by the park? Land is occupied by the park. How much land is occupied by the park? Okay, how much land? What do you have to find? Land. How much land is occupied by the park? And here we have to find the area. Area formula is length into breadth of the rectangular. If it is rectangular, length into breadth. If it is square, side into side. Now it is rectangular in shape, so we are finding area is equal to length into breadth. How much? 30 into 20, which is equal to 600 meters square. Why meter square? Because we are multiplying 30 meter into 20 meter. Meter into meter, meter square. Area unit is meter square. Okay. Here perimeter we are adding. So only meter. Understood? Okay, let's go to third question. So let's see the third question in the slide. Okay. Here is in the question, if there is a path of 1 meter width running inside along the perimeter of the park, that has to be cemented. If one bag of cement is required to cement 4 meter square area, how many bags of cement bags would be required to construct the cement plant? We have to find the number of bags of cement path. Cement bags. Number of cement bags used here to cover the 1 meter area. 4 meter square area of around the park. Okay. Around the park. This one. Around the park. This path is the path. This path. Okay. Formula is number of is equal to number of cement bags used is equal to area of the path divided by area cemented by area cemented by 1 bag. This is a formula. Number of cement bags used, area of the path, area cemented by 1 bag. Okay. Now first find out path is now area of a cemented bag. We have to find area of cemented bag is equal to area of is equal to area of path minus area of park not cemented. See, area of cemented bag is equal to area of a park minus area of park not cemented. That is this one, this region. We have to find. Okay. Area of cemented bag. Okay, area of a park, we know that this one center. This is area of park. This is way. This is area of park. Okay. Area of cemented bag is equal to area of park minus area of park not cemented. Let's continue in the next slide. Okay, path is 1 meter now. Path is 1 meter wide. So the rectangular area not cemented is 30 minus 2 and 20 minus 2 meter square. That is 28 into 80 meter square. How did we get this 2? 30 we know it's the length and 20 is the width. 2 is there was a the way is no this 1 meter 1 meter. There is 1 plus 1 is 2 meter. That we are subtracting. Here also like that. 1 meter plus 1 meter is 2 meter. That we are subtracting. So we'll get 28 into 80 meter square. Hence number of cement bags used is equal to 400 divided by 28 into 18. I have simplified it. Now you have to get the answer and write in the comment box. Write in the comment box. I'll check. Okay. Okay, rest exercise 11.1 in the next video. Stay tuned. I'll be putting it as early as possible. Now this you have to These four revision, you have to revise it, recall it, and keep ready. And I will solve the exercise 11.1 soon. Thank you, students, for listening carefully. Thank you very much.